Hi. It can be quite difficult to find an adequate portable generator for home use. We spent countless hours researching and testing most of the products available today. Based on quality and value for the money, we have choose this best rated portable generator. First, let's see the features of this great product.
The DuroStar DS4000S 7-horsepower generator is designed for light-duty emergency backup applications. This generator has everything a great generator needs, from surge arrest, which protects your generator from power surges, to its all-metal construction that makes it tough enough to last even on the roughest job sites. The DuroStar DS4000S pushes 4,000 peak watts that allow you to run anything from lights to a refrigerator and high-amperage power tools to a small home air conditioner. It also features an extended runtime of up to 8 hours on a full tank of gas. Let's not forget about the low oil shutoff that protects your investment by automatically shutting the generator off when it senses low oil. The power panel includes a selection of outlets for maximum compatibility in your applications, including 2 120-volt household outlets and one 120-volt 30-amp twist lock outlet. The panel also includes a voltmeter for measuring voltage output. All DuroStar generators are both approved by the EPA and CARB and follow strict guidelines to ensure our generators are as environmentally friendly as possible.
These are our editor ratings for this product.